As an avid endurance athlete and tech enthusiast, I've been eagerly anticipating the release of the Garmin Fenix 8. After spending several weeks putting this new flagship multi-sport watch through its paces, I'm excited to share my comprehensive review of its features, design, performance, and overall value. The Fenix 8 builds on Garmin's reputation for producing rugged, feature-packed GPS watches while introducing some notable upgrades that push the boundaries of wearable technology. Design and build quality. The moment I unboxed the Fenix 8, I was struck by its premium look and feel. Garmin has refined the design, giving it a more sleek and modern aesthetic compared to previous Fenix models. The watch is available in three sizes: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm to accommodate different wrist sizes and preferences. I tested the 47mm model, which felt substantial but not overly bulky on my average-sized wrist. The build quality is exceptional, with a fiber-reinforced polymer case and metal bezel that exudes durability. The Fenix 8 maintains the rugged DNA of its predecessors, meeting military standard 810 for thermal, shock, and water resistance. Speaking of water resistance, it's rated to 10 ATM, 100 meters, making it suitable for swimming and water sports. One of the most significant design changes is the introduction of an AMOLED display option alongside the traditional memory in pixel (MIP) displays. The AMOLED screen on my review unit is bright, vibrant, and easy to read in all lighting conditions. It boasts a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels, providing crisp and detailed visuals. The display is protected by a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal lens, which has held up well to my active lifestyle. The 5-button layout remains, complemented by a responsive touchscreen. I appreciate having both input methods, as the buttons are ideal for use during workouts or with gloves, while the touchscreen simplifies navigation through menus and maps. The buttons have a satisfying tactile feel and are well positioned for easy access during activities. Key features and functionality. The Fenix 8 is packed with an impressive array of features for sports, fitness tracking, and everyday use. Here are some of the standout capabilities. Advanced GPS and navigation. The multi-band GNSS support provides incredibly accurate positioning, even in challenging environments. The watch utilizes GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo satellite systems, ensuring reliable tracking in urban canyons and dense forests. The built-in topographic maps and turn-by-turn navigation have been invaluable during my trail runs and hikes. Comprehensive activity tracking. From running and cycling to swimming and strength training, the Fenix 8 covers a wide range of sports and activities. The depth and breadth of metrics captured are unparalleled, including advanced running dynamics, cycling power, and swim stroke analysis. Health and wellness monitoring. 24/7 heart rate tracking, sleep analysis, stress monitoring, and blood oxygen measurements provide a holistic view of my overall health and recovery. The new body battery feature gives insights into energy levels throughout the day. Training tools. Features like Passive Pro, Clim Pro, and suggested workouts have helped me optimize my training and race strategies. The Recovery Time Advisor and Training Status Metrics offer valuable insights into my fitness progression. Smart features, smartphone notifications, contactless payments via Garmin Pay, music storage, up to 2,000 songs, and app support enhance the watch's everyday usability. Voice functionality. New to the Fenix 8 is a built-in microphone and speaker, enabling voice commands and the ability to take phone calls directly from the watch when paired with a smartphone. This feature adds a new dimension of convenience, especially during workouts. Diving capabilities. Another notable addition is support for recreational diving, with features like depth tracking, decompression monitoring, and dive log. The watch is rated for dives up to 100 meters deep. Altimeter, barometer, and compass. These ABC sensors provide crucial data for outdoor adventures, including accurate elevation readings and weather trend information. Performance and accuracy. Throughout my testing, the Fenix 8 has consistently delivered accurate and reliable data. GPS tracking has been spot on, even in dense forest cover. The multi-band GNSS technology has significantly improved accuracy in challenging environments compared to previous models. Heart rate monitoring during various activities has closely matched my chest strap, though as with most wrist-based sensors, there can be slight delays during high-intensity intervals. The new Elevate Gen 5 optical heart rate sensor seems to have improved accuracy, especially for metrics like HRV and sleep tracking. I found the sleep data to be more consistent and reflective of my subjective experience compared to previous Garmin models. The altimeter has proven to be highly accurate, providing reliable elevation data during hikes and trail runs. The barometer's storm alert feature has been particularly useful, warning me of impending weather changes during outdoor activities. Battery life. Battery performance has always been a strong suit for the Fenix series, and the 8 continues this tradition. However, battery life varies significantly depending on the display type and usage patterns. Fenix 8 AMOLED, 47mm, up to 16 days in smartwatch mode, 42 hours in GPS mode. Fenix 8 Solar, 47mm, up to 22 days in smartwatch mode, 28 with solar, 73 hours in GPS mode, 88 with solar. In my real-world testing with the AMOLED model, I've been averaging about 10 to 12 days between charges with daily activity tracking, 4 to 5 GPS workouts per week, and always on display enabled. The solar versions offer even more impressive longevity, especially for those who spend a lot of time outdoors. The Power Manager feature allows for granular control over battery consumption, enabling users to customize settings to extend battery life when needed. The new Battery Saver mode can extend battery life up to 60 days in smartwatch mode. User interface and software. Garmin has made some notable improvements to the user interface on the Fenix 8. The menu structure feels more intuitive, and the addition of the touch screen makes navigating maps and scrolling through data screens much easier. The Garmin Connect app continues to be a powerful companion, offering deep insights into your data and seamless syncing. The watch faces and widgets are highly customizable, allowing me to tailor the information displayed to my preferences. I particularly appreciate the new glanceable widgets that provide quick access to key metrics and features. The Connect IQ store offers a wide range of additional apps, watch faces, and data fields to further extend the watch's functionality. Downside. High price point, especially for AMOLED and solar versions. Learning curve for new users due to the depth of features. Large size may not suit all wrists, especially the 51mm model. Limited third-party app ecosystem compared to some smartwatches. Value and competition. The Garmin Fenix 8 sits at the premium end of the sports watch market, with prices ranging from $799 for the base model to $1,099 for the top-tier Solar Sapphire editions. While expensive, the watch's capabilities, build quality, and battery life justify the cost for serious athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. Main competitors include the Apple Watch Ultra, Coros Vertix 2, and Polar Grit X Pro. The Fenix 8 stands out with its more comprehensive feature set and longer battery life, though the Apple Watch Ultra offers a more refined smartwatch experience for iPhone users. So, should you buy it? After extensive testing, I can confidently say that the Garmin Fenix 8 is the most capable and refined multi-sport watch I've used to date. It builds on the strengths of its predecessors while introducing meaningful upgrades like the AMOLED display option, voice features, and diving capabilities. For athletes, adventurers, and tech enthusiasts who want a do-it-all watch with uncompromising performance, the Fenix 8 is an excellent choice. Its combination of advanced training metrics, robust navigation features, and long battery life make it a top contender for endurance athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. However, its high price and complex feature set may be overkill for casual users or those primarily focused on a single sport. For these users, Garmin's Forerunner or Venue series might be more appropriate options. Ultimately, the Garmin Fenix 8 represents the pinnacle of GPS sports watch technology, offering an unmatched combination of features, durability, and battery life. Whether it's the right choice for you will depend on your specific needs and budget, but for those who can fully utilize its capabilities, it's an impressive piece of wearable tech that won't disappoint. Keywords: Garmin Fenix 8, multi-sport watch, GPS watch, AMOLED display, battery life, heart rate monitoring, activity tracking, navigation, voice features, diving capabilities, Garmin Connect, sports watch, fitness tracking, outdoor adventures, wearable technology, endurance sports, smartwatch, training metrics, recovery tracking, customization.